Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. And you just heard some nice Scottish Highland music because today we're mad about plaid. So I love seeing all the plaid shirts, dresses, hats, masks, headgear. Some even had plaid socks. So thank you for participating. I have three pledgers for Mr. Baca's class, and their names are if you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and join us as we do our pledge. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one invisible, and liberty and justice for all.
And now we're going to do our Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one religion.
All right, and today we're going to do things a little bit out of order. We're going to go ahead and do our, at this time, please remain standing for a moment of silence. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected at home, on the bus, and during the school day. If there is anyone at home, at school, or on the bus that makes you feel unloved, disrespected, or unsafe, please tell a trusted adult in your life. And today we're going to go ahead and start our No Place for Hate pledge. So teachers, we're going to go ahead and get those out to you, but I'll send them to you virtually today. But I want them to go ahead and be placed in the classroom. And so my pledgers are going to help me, and they're going to repeat, so you can go ahead and sit, but go ahead and repeat after us to the best of your ability, okay? I promise to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone. Like me. If I see someone being hurt or bullied,
I will tell a teacher.
I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be part of making my school.
No place for hate.
All right, friends, you did a great job considering you don't have it in front of you. We do have a couple of birthdays today. Happy birthday to Jada H. in 4th grade. We wish you a happy December birthday. Our announcements are that today we're mad about Plaid Wednesday. Tomorrow is Let It Snow Thursday. So wear something white, wintry, or with snowflakes. Character education themes for the month of December are honesty and integrity. Dr. Martin Luther King once said, "The time is always right to do what is right." Someone of integrity does right because it is right, not because it is easy. All right, so it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
I apologize, we weren't ready. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that today and every day you choose to make it a